In this video, you are going to learn what is a composite function and how to find composite functions. What is a composite function? I am taking two functions f and g. F is a function of x and g is also a function of x. For example, f of x is equal to 2x plus 9 and g of x is equal to 7x. Next, I am taking this function and inside I am putting this function. This is called a composite function. So a composite function is a function of another function. We write this as f, a small circle, g parenthesis of x. This is the notation for this composite function. We read this as f of g of x. Next, I am going to do some problems and you will learn how to find composite functions. In this problem, we have two functions f and g. F of x is equal to negative 8x plus 4 and g of x is equal to 5x minus 6. We need to find f of g of x. This is a composite function and g of f of x. This is another composite function. Let us find this. This is equal to the first function is f and the second function is g. Write the first function and put inside the second function. We need to find this. This is equal to find f of g of x, you take the function f of x and substitute g of x for x. G of x is 5x minus 6. So you need to substitute this for x. You get negative 8 times x. Put this for x. You need to put parenthesis plus 4. Now simplify. Is equal to, remove the parenthesis, negative 8 times 5x is negative 40x. Negative 8 times negative 6 is positive 48 plus 4 is equal to negative 40x. Positive 48 plus 4 is positive 52. This is the composite function. Next, we are going to find this composite function. Write this. This is equal to, write the first function. Inside, put the second function f of x. You need to find this. To find this, you go to the function g and substitute f of x for x. F of x is negative 8x plus 4. So you need to substitute this for x. You get 5 times x. For x, put this. Put parenthesis minus 6. Now simplify is equal to, remove the parenthesis. 5 times negative 8x is negative 40x. 5 times positive 4 is positive 20 minus 6 is equal to negative 40x. Positive 20 minus 6 is positive 14. This is this composite function. Next, we are going to do this problem. In this problem, you have two functions, g and h. G of x is this and h of x is this. You need to find this composite function, h of g of x, and this composite function, g of h of x. Let us find this. This is equal to, write the first function. Inside, put the second function, g of x. Now we need to find this. This is equal to, go to the function h. You need to substitute g of x for x. G of x is x squared minus 7. So you need to substitute this for x. You get 3 for x, put this, put parenthesis, plus 2 is equal to, remove the parenthesis using the distributive property. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21 plus 2 is equal to 3x squared. Negative 21 plus 2 is negative 21 plus 2 is negative 19. So this is this composite function. Next we will find this composite function. This is equal to, write the first function g, inside put the function h of x. We need to find this. To find this, go to the function g and substitute h of x for x. H of x is 3x plus 2. So substitute this for x. You get 3x plus 2. And there is a square. Put parenthesis and a square minus 7. Now expand this using this formula. A plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This a is 3x and b is 2. So a squared is 3x, put parenthesis, squared plus 2 times a, that is times 3x, times b, that is times 2, plus b squared, that is plus 2 squared minus 7 is equal to 3 squared 9 x squared plus 2 times 3 times 2 is 12 times x plus 2 squared is 4 minus 7 is equal to 9x squared plus 12x. Positive 4 minus 7 is negative 3. This is this composite function. Next I am going to do this problem. This problem is different from the previous problems. In the previous problems, you had two functions f and g, and you found the composite functions. And in the composite function, you had x here and x here. But in this problem, you have a number here and a number here. Let us find this. This is equal to, you write the first function and inside put g of 4. Next find g of 4. To find g of 4, in the function g, you substitute 4 for x. You get 11 minus 2 times x. X is 4. So times 4 is equal to 11. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 is equal to 11 minus 8 is 3. So g of 4 is 3. Next substitute this 3 for g of 4. You get f of 3. So next you need to find f of 3. To find f of 3, you need to substitute 3 in the function f. So substitute 3 here for x. You get 3. X is 3. So 3 squared minus 4 is equal to 3 times 3 squared is 9 minus 4 is equal to 3 times 9 is 27 minus 4 is equal to 27 minus 4 is 23. So f of g of 4 is 23. Note that if there is a number here, your answer will be a number. Next we will find this one. This is equal to, write the first function. Inside put f of negative 3. Next find f of negative 3. To find f of negative 3, in the function f, substitute negative 3 for x. You get 3 times x, put negative 3, put parenthesis because this is negative, then squared minus 4 is equal to 3. Negative 3 squared is positive 9 minus 4 is equal to 3 times 9 is 27 minus 4 is equal to 27 minus 4 is 23. So f of negative 3 is 23. So now substitute this 23 for f of negative 3. You get g of 23. Now find g of 23. To find g of 23, in the function g, substitute 23 for x. You get 11 minus 2 times x. X is 23 is equal to 11. Negative 2 times 23 is negative 46 is equal to 11 minus 46 is negative 35. This is the answer.